All right, so I got my 5 winning days. I am eligible for a payout. Now, I've been here before and I didn't take the payout. I ended up blowing the account. This time, I want to get past psychologically the I never gotten a payout thing going on in my head. I'm going to take a payout. I'm going to take $500 out of this account. Not life changing money at all, but I do think psychologically it's going to move me past the I've never gotten paid out of my XFAs before. And hopefully it'll start a much better and faster trajectory and, start paying back what the last 2.5 years have taken. So we got our balance here. We got our 5 winning days. Going to go into payouts. We're going to request the payout. Okay, and we are going to not show that screen. I'm going to go ahead and complete this information. All right, so we're back. So we filled out that form. We're going to go ahead and request a payout. We're going to continue. We're going to go ahead and do an ACH. I have Wise on a business account. I don't have it personal, and I did not set this up for my business account. Okay. Okay, so we are going to confirm that we want $500 out of that account, which I am doing. And the payout request has been submitted. So I will, in a future video, let you know how long this is taking. I would recommend doing Wise. I've tried setting up a Wise account. We have one for our business, and it just gets very confusing when I go to try and do it for my personal. Sure, it'd be easy for somebody else. I just didn't feel like taking the time to set that up today. So there we go. We are finally a truly funded trader.